Join me now on the program is John Toohey. We're here with RJ Groner. Great to have you on the program as always, John, as we talk about heating, cooling, and plumbing. Emergencies happen in the Poconos. You can't get around it, and I know you guys are always ready for it. One of the big things that we get asked all the time, what happens when I have an emergency? Who do I call? If it's something with your plumbing, with your heating, with your air conditioning, who can you rely on after hours? Not during normal business hours, but who's going to come to you at night and on weekends? Well, I got an answer for you, George. It's actually us. Heating problems can happen any time of day or night, and sometimes cooling problems too, and you guys are ready for that. That's correct, George. As you can see from behind me here, we roll out in fully stocked trucks, set up basically to handle about 90% of the emergencies that come across the board, at night and on weekends, and when it's just off times like that. Maintenance goes a long way, though, John, to keep from having an emergency. The whole design of maintenance is preventative. It's to stop those emergency problems from happening. 80% of the emergencies that we run to are usually related to lack of maintenance. Let's talk about water and well pumps. Here in the Poconos, a lot of homes have wells and pumps can fail. So, George, one of the biggest surprises a lot of new homeowners get when they move to the Poconos, they come from maybe a city background where the water is supplied or more of a suburban area. Then they find out all of a sudden they're their own water source. And well pumps don't last, George. Average life expectancy, somewhere around 5 to 10 years, depending on conditions, depending on the weather, lightning strikes. There are many things that can happen to put that well pump out. One of the good things for those people, give us a call when you got a problem. Fully stocked, ready to get that pump replaced, get your water back up and running. John, let's talk about the 24/7 emergency service. You have a live person that actually answers the phone. Absolutely, George. One of the most important things you need when you have an emergency is somebody who's on the other side of the line, who can empathize and understand what's going on. We found for our customers in the Poconos, having that live person 24/7 gives them that peace of mind and potentially walks them through something they can do immediately before anybody gets there to mitigate the problem. And let's talk about the technicians that you send out to solve these problems. They're certified, and they're also people that live here. We spend a lot on our technicians for training and certifications. We want the best. We have the best, and we want our customers to experience the best. All of our technicians live in the communities they serve. They're your friends, your neighbors. They're people that you know. You see the trucks drive by all the time. They're going to be there to help you, and they're going to understand, and they're going to empathize with you about your problem to get it resolved and get it resolved quickly. People have an emergency, or they just want to find out more about RJ Groner. How do they do that? Many different ways, George. Find us on Facebook. Find us at RJ Groner on the website. That's RJ Groner, GRONER.com. Give us a call, 570-421-7260. Text us. Email us, many ways to get in touch with us. Right through our website, live person on the other side to answer on the website. When you have an emergency, someone's going to be there to answer it for you, and somebody's going to be out there to take care of it for you.